Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the contents of Japan Airlines first class amenity kit. So it's the Hariboni branded, and there you've got a USB charger, which is a nice an amenity you don't see often. You've got mouthwashes here. What else? You got a dental kit, toothbrush. Here you've got earplugs. You got tissue paper, comb, a peyote, lip balm, moisturizer. You've got a moisture mask, a pack full of goodies, eye mask, and you've got the Shiseido men's kit that comes with that. It's just some extra moisturizing features for the skin. So that is what you can expect out of Japan Airlines first class amenity kit. This is as of May 2026. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share this with a friend. Thank you.